Hey there, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. If you've been someone who's participated in UserCrowd, you know that UserCrowd pays really well for simple, fast participation where you're usually providing your feedback on different apps, features, games, things like that. And it's usually 1 minute and it pays like 40 cents. And the problem with that is there aren't a lot of opportunities. Like, you can make really good money with this, at least good beer money with this, if they had more opportunities. And I've been a member for a long time. My profile or my history rating or whatever it is, they have me at a 99%. And I get more options, more offers now than I did 6 months ago or a year ago. Maybe 3 to 5 each day, but they're usually I'm East Coast time. They're usually really early in the morning, but the opportunities are there to make $1, $2 every day, and it's so easy, and the pay rate is so great. So this is exciting news, finally getting to it. I see a notice when I was performing one of the invites that I had, and they said there's a new way to make money on here. So let's look at it together. I don't know if everyone is getting this notice, so maybe if you're somebody new or your rating isn't super high, you may not see this because it may be for like a select group or tier. But it says recordings are coming soon. We're offering more ways to participate in research. Soon you'll have the option to take part in tests that record audio, video, and screen to capture your thoughts, actions, and emotions as you engage in research. Well, that's exciting. If the pay is going to be on par or better because it's going to take a little bit more work, it's a little bit more personal, then that's exciting. More ways to make good money with UserCrowd. What do I need to take part? Your device must have a webcam, microphone, and screen sharing capability, which is available in most modern browsers. So they're using a photo of a laptop and a microphone here and a selfie kind of webcam thing. So will this only be on desktop and laptop devices? I hope not. I hope they have the option to do screen recordings with apps on your phone, because we can't always get to our laptops or desktops. How's your privacy protected? Your privacy is important to us. Recordings are for research only, not public sharing. Yeah, they're still selling your stuff and your face and your likeness and your voice, so keep that in mind. Unlock more rewards. We understand that recording tests require a little more from participants. Well, that's cool. I just said that earlier. That's why we offer a higher incentive to participate in these tests. So I hope the higher incentive means more money per minute, per hour, however you track your little, micro task earnings. So looks good. Okay, we'll keep an eye on this. UserCrowd is by far my favorite little micro task, my little way to make a little extra beer money really quickly. I mean, I'll be dropping a deuce. I'll get an alert from UserCrowd, and not only did I have a bowel movement, but I made $1 or 40 cents or 80 cents, or like just now $1.20. It took me 3 minutes. Come on. What do you think about UserCrowd? What do you think about these new opportunities? I'd love to know your feedback. Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Thank you for watching.